Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and I hope you're all having a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we are working on the Golden Dragon. This is my silk edition and I believe the color that I'm using is 747. Let me look again. Oh, nope, 741. So sorry. And I have my dragon needle minder. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, and this also comes from, comes from the SevenGreat store. So yeah. And as you recall, I just got another copy of this, just so I'd have enough silk threads. And yeah, we'll see how that all goes. I haven't had a chance to look at them all, you know, to make sure that everything's in the same tone or whatever. Nothing like that. I just put the extra package in the same bag. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, yesterday I went with my friend Diane and her husband and her little cute dog, Layla. And we went to lunch at my favorite restaurant, Jan's, here in town. We had a lovely lunch, and then we went over to the park and sat down and did show and tell, and she showed me kids, I showed her kids. Yeah, that's how that went. And we had a blast. Yeah, it was fun. And we even got to do a small stitch with me, or stitch together, if you will. Sorry. Oh, wrong words. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it was just an absolute lovely, lovely day. It was like 72 with a light breeze. And the leaves are starting to fall off the trees. While we were sitting there, they were falling on the car. So there was a few people at the park. You know, kids playing, people just kind of walking around. There's a little creek there. So you can walk down to the creek and see the water, and yeah. But it was fun. Thank you, Diane and Dave, for coming up. I really enjoyed myself. Oh my goodness. And then when I got home, did I take a nap? No. I went for broke. Hang on just a second. I knew that was going to happen. Oh my goodness. And copied all the pictures. I got that finished. I could have a pair of scissors. Oh, they're right there. Oh my goodness. We are having a day. Where is that one? Sorry. I had thread already in there, so I figured I might as well use it up. Let's put that puppy there. Let's get a hold of the needle minder and get it back. Let's see, where do I want to stitch? I think we'll put it on this side and put these on that side. So yeah, I did that for about 4 hours straight and finally got it done. So yeah, it'll be time to use my new computer. Now, how do we have extra needles? Oh my goodness gracious. I guess we'll go this way. We're going to get that puppy right there. We'll just finish the top of the dragon. And I had nachos for dinner. I made all that up so I can have those either Monday night, you know, when I come home from work, or tomorrow night. And I'll have to, somewhere in there, finish those beef ribs that I got. They're just not too filling at all. I mean, if I had to choose, I wouldn't buy those again. Because they're just, what are we doing here? Wasn't a whole bunch of meat on that, so yeah. And I just sat down and stitched, a little bit on this, and I also worked on my beaded cross stitch, the poinsettias. Boy, that needle does not want to go through that material for some reason. It's acting awfully stubborn. Let's go up here. Maybe there's just a little flaw or something in the, what do you call it? In the Ada. Every once in a while that happens. Hell, it even happened on Joy Sunday, and I wasn't expecting it, so. So yeah, just did a little bit of stitching, watched some Netflix and some YouTube stuff, and went to bed fairly early. Because by the time I got done with the pictures, there was no laying down to take a nap. I just wanted it done. Oh my goodness. It just kind of, when I got done, I wasn't sure I was done, you know. It was like 3,390 some pictures and 470 videos in there. You know, they're just little, you know how I do the 25-second ones, you know, when I'm out. And then I put it all together to make it look like it's a full movie, so to speak. But just little clips, so 95% of that was that. I'm surprised it all got on there. So, no plans for today. I think I'll just work on this or work on my beaded cross stitch. I wasn't set up too well yesterday. I just did put in, oh God, maybe 20 beads. Yeah. So I did get the rest of the bead mats. I got that from Amazon. That arrived, I think it was Friday. And I got some more of those. I don't know that I have one. Oh dear. Well, ooh. Nope, I'm not seeing any. Oh, it's right here under my nose. These, well, usually they're filled up. I don't know why this one isn't, but this is what I'm going to put the beads in for the beaded cross stitch. So I got like 12 cases like this. They weren't too expensive, maybe $25 for, I mean, total for the both. So I have a fresh supply of those. They work, you know, pretty well. I don't have to have that bag. I'm always paranoid. I'm going to pour more than I actually need. So you can just pour a few out on the bead mat and stitch from there. But and all the beads are in the bag that it came from, so there will be no losing them. Oh my goodness gracious, kids. Some days. So I thought I'd just take it easy today and sit in my rocking chair and just stitch and listen to music for a while and not do too much. This needle seems like it's quite almost too big for this. But we're fine, I guess. I'll try to go this way. Maybe it'll go better. I haven't been having a problem with this. It's stitched just fine. And of course I use my beeswax. See if we can make it to the top here. Oh, come on. Don't freak out on me now. Just keeps going and going and going, don't it? Might get two more. I mean, this stitch and one more out of. I try to use it down to the bare nub, but God, some days that does not go well. That up. Not nearly as far down to the end as 14 count. I get so spoiled that I can only end up with about that much thread left. Yeah. It just kills me to have 2 inches here. You put that over there. Sorry for the reach. I don't know why I put it on that side. But it's coming along. I really love this. I think the next color that I'm going to use is this, that slash mark. I don't know what color that is. Whoops, sorry, my bad. I ran right into it. Okay, yeah, and no, I didn't get to the dang dollar store to get more of this stuff. So, whoops. Gotta go this way. Yes, I put a knot in the end. Get this where y'all can see what I'm doing here. So what's everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun. I think that color on the outside is kind of a bright orange. I might be wrong. I can't remember now. Or it's like a yellow. This is more of a orangish gold, if you will. Oh my. So I have no idea. Wasn't too busy in town, you know, I mean, as far as people, like it has been. So I have no idea how busy it'll be on Monday. We'll just have to kind of wait and see. But this goes pretty fast if I just kind of keep on stitching on it, but I like to stitch on other things. It seems like over the past 3 days, all I've stitched on are the 12 ladies and Mediterranean. So yeah, just kind of looking for something different to stitch on. I think that's why I got out the beaded cross stitch as well. Just every once in a while you gotta look at something different. I am so not a one thing, stitch on one thing person. Especially when it comes to cross stitch. Now, when I was doing quilts, I had to stick with it because you were doing a complete project, but yeah. Oh my. Can't believe today is Sunday. It just seems like I don't know where these dang days go. Seriously. Never goes this fast when I'm at work. At all. So, we will see. Don't even have too many plans for this week at all. Past floss tube day. It's the only other thing, big thing on the calendar, but yeah. I'll get one more. I think one more stitch is about all we're going to handle with that puppy. Okay. Oh, come on, come on, come on. All right. We got it. Put that needle there because I will use, well, actually we'll get a better one. That one seemed a little bit big. All right, guys. Well, he's coming along. I got a little bit left up. Sorry, my bad. Got a little bit left on that, and then I can start putting in all of those. But I've got, I think, one more symbol right that runs on this side and on that side. So, yep, it's coming along. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.